Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make a simple dish for you to make as an alternative when you do prime rib instead of making mashed potatoes, roast potatoes, or baked potatoes. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today, Yorkshire pudding. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, eggs, milk, butter, oil, and we got to have a blender. We're going to put all these ingredients in the blender and blend it up. But first thing, what we got to do, I have a muffin pan here, and we have to put it in the oven and let it get really hot. I have my oven set to 425. Now, this is the next step, what we're going to do. We're going to put all the ingredients I have up here in this blender. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And we're going to blend everything together. Now, this is what we do. We check and see if everything is blended up. We pour it in this measuring cup. I've just taken the muffin pan out of the oven and it's very, very hot. This is what we're going to do next. We're going to drop some oil in each muffin cup. Okay. Now we're going to drop some butter in each one. Then we're going to put this back in the oven and let it get really, really hot before we add this mixture in. Oh, yes, and I forgot to add, you put the muffin pan with the oil and butter in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes before we add the mixture. Now I've taken the muffin pan out of the oven with the hot oil and butter in it, and we're going to pour the mixture in. Now we're going to pop this back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Here you have it, Yorkshire pudding. Enjoy. This is how the Yorkshire pudding came out. I'm serving it with prime rib and roasted asparagus. If you want to see how I make a prime rib, check out one of my older videos that I made a while back. It will be in the screen below. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.